The other day, I arranged a still life, a really simple still life with only two objects and with a white background. I did some sketches with ink and brush, and then with the ink itself, I did some value studies and also some watercolor studies. These are not finished artworks, of course. And seeing this, I really feel so ashamed that I'm painting so small, and I will try to paint on a bigger scale from now on, because I really want to paint big, but I somehow lose interest when I paint for longer hours. And this is the festive kind of a painting I have done. It was not at all intentional to get that festive mood. I got it by accident and I quite like it. This is the book I am currently reading. It is 1Q84 by Haruki Murakami. I just love his works. I have read 3 books by Murakami so far, and this is my 4th book, and I just absolutely love it. Magical realism, the world he creates in his writings are just wonderful. And I also explore not really magical realism, but just weird looking things I draw in my paintings. And as a bookmark, I cut this paper having watercolor swatches on it and makes the reading more interesting. So about this painting, I just want to make my paintings more loose. They tend to be rigid, which I don't enjoy making, and also not enjoy looking at. So I want to make very loose and fun paintings. And I read it somewhere that if you want to paint loose, you have to draw loose. So I lightened the drawing I made with pencil and then started drawing with a brush directly. And over that I gave washes of color. color underneath, the red which I used for drawing, was merging with the top layer, and which I quite liked, the hazy effect which I got by doing that. I liked it, and to cover the parts which I did not like, gave I gave the second layer of color. And here is the finished painting. I really liked it, and I also enjoyed making it. I am really looking forward to making more such paintings. I will surely update you on that. And what I have recently started doing is sketching in the morning. In the art school, we used to do daily sketching, so that our hand movements and the synchronization between our brain and hand gets easier and smooth. And on top of that, I also used to sketch while coming back home by train. It is becoming really harder for me to get new ideas and draw them on paper. I have decided to start sketching again in the morning. So I use Croquet's Cafe. It is a YouTube channel, but there are no videos there right now. So I sketch from the videos on Vimeo. They have 20-minute sketching sessions, which I do daily. I am making 3 coloring pages for my online class. The class is called Modern Folk Art, Drawing and Painting Pots. I did the drawing part with a mechanical pencil first, and then I am drawing over it with a pen. And I will just scan it and make it into a PDF. I also did something different this day. I made these bookmarks. I did not like every one of it, but I like the flower one and the blue leaf one. I would like to plan my bookmarks and make the proper design for it one day. If I will do that, I will make a video of it for sure. So thank you so much for watching this video and spending time with me. I will see you in the next one.